one more beat and then we'll call it a day. So, just to show you what I'm talking about here. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and of course you can change this up as much as you want. At 1 and 2, you know, just follow what the guitar is doing. You know, snare on 2 and 4, right? Snare on 2 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then the next common beat would be this one. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and so the bass. Okay, so like the bass would be like this. Pretend like this would be your bass drum. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and so your foot's doing this here. So if it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and feel the foot. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and everything else is the same. Okay? Okay, so those would be the first 2 beats. If when I taught drums for 8 years, I always started people with those 2 beats. Now we went over probably at least a month's worth of information there. You know, some people might take longer, some people might catch on the first day. But don't try to skim through all that in 15 minutes and say, oh, I can't do it, it's too hard. There's a lot there, okay? Okay, see ya. Bye.